Welcome back, Queens and Kings, and thank you all so much for watching as well as returning. So today I have three different styles of DIYs, glamorous DIYs that I will be making in this video that I was totally inspired by Homegoods. If you all would like to see how I created all three of these looks, please continue to watch. Hey, Queens and Kings. Okay, so starting off first right here, we have two different sizes of plates that I actually got from Family Dollars, and I apologize for the glare. I did not know the light was actually shining on it like that. But those smaller plates you can find at Dollar Tree for like 8 or 10 in a bunch, and these large ones you could not. So that's why I got both from Family Dollars. And then I'm gonna be using here these crystals that I got from eFavormart. I will actually put the exact link down below so you guys can purchase those, because it was like $10 for that whole bag, and I still have plenty more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 2 plates out of each one of the package. I'm using 2 plates because of the simple fact that it's not as strong as I want them to be. So basically I'm just going to glue 2 plates together. Okay, so here I'm just showing you all how I'm going to basically glue the gems onto the plates. And there I'm showing you guys the little gap, the rim and the inner circle as well. That's basically where I'm going to place the glue at the top of the rim of the plate and right there where the inner circle ring begin. And I'm just going to glue each one of them going all the way around. Okay, so now I am doing the same exact method for the larger tray like I did for the smaller tray. The only thing different is by the tray is larger, it does not have the ring as close, but I am gluing it directly to the edge of the rim of the plate. All right, queens and kings, so here's both of my cute, gorgeous little glam little trays. But now we're gonna start on doing the candle holder. And as you guys can see, I started doing the second row. Basically, it's doing the same thing, but instead of gluing it directly, I'm gonna glue it in between each crystal row, if that makes sense. And the only reason I had the little candle holder in there so I can know how wide did I wanted it to be, and make sure that my little Bath and Body Works candles or any other size candles can actually fit on here. Okay, queens and kings, so here's the gorgeous crystal candle holder. I love the way that this turned out. I was so happy once I got these crystal from eFavormart that I was like, oh, I have that idea because of the fact I could not find those gorgeous candle holders that I see so many people have them on Instagram, YouTube as well. And here is the tray. I totally love the way how this looks even sitting on top of my mirror. Coffee table here, it is so gorgeous, but I'm actually think I'm going to use it in Jasmine room to hold all her little body sprays and mist and everything like that. But I love the way both of these turn out. I just love them. If you guys enjoy them too and love them, give me a big thumbs up at this moment. For this one here, we have glue gun as well with our glue sticks, pair of scissors. I'm going to use this 12-inch by 16-inch pillar insert from Walmart, which is Mainstay. I have some extra fabric from where I did, you know, the DIYs on the bar stools and chairs. And the runner. I know you guys like, what? Did anybody use that runner? Yes, I am. I'm about to use this runner, and I'm going to make me some cute little beaded pillows. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the runner because I know I'm not going to use the runner for much for anything else around the house. Because you guys know this table is not that big, so I was like, why not? And I can use the extra from somewhere else. So what I'm going to do is basically cut my thing down to size. That's pretty much what I'm going to do, cut it down to size. So I could make a pillow. And I'm going to use the fabric as well. And we're going to just be our little insert. As you can see, it's not as even, but that's okay because the extra fabric is going to help me out with that to make sure that it all lined up. So I went and got my blade because the scissors definitely not going to work. I'm already messing it up. So the best thing you want to do is use a ruler, not no scissors. So we got one down. We're going to make this the bottom. We're going to glue the sides, these three sides down first. now we're just gonna glue that shut. All right, queens and kings, so here is the gorgeous pillow. I actually did made two, and I love how sparkle and beautiful it is, and it matched with everything else in my home. Okay, so for the bonus ideal of styling or whatever, I decided to put the tray and the candle holder together, but it's not glued down. It's just an ideal option that a way you can actually use yours if you don't use yours like I'm gonna use mine. But I just want to show you guys how I style it on my coffee table, and look at my gorgeous pillow back there as well. They all look so good here in my living room, and I just totally love the way that they came out. It's just beautiful. But if you queens and kings enjoyed my home good inspiration or DIYs, please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, share the video, as well as subscribe to the castle if you are new and you're just stopping by. And I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you all in the next video. Bye bye.